Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox shirts on your mobile device. We'll cover everything from choosing the right design apps to understanding the specific image dimensions needed for a perfect fit. You'll learn how to prepare your design, upload it to the Roblox platform, and even get some helpful tips to make your creations truly shine. Get ready to unleash your creativity and design amazing virtual apparel. When designing your shirt, start by selecting a good mobile drawing application such as Ibis Paint X or Procreate. It's crucial to set your canvas dimensions precisely to 585 pixels wide by 559 pixels tall. This ensures your design fits the Roblox template perfectly. Remember to consider all parts of the shirt, including the front, back, and both arm sections, for a complete and professional look. Take your time and be creative. Once your design is finalized, save it as a PNG file, making sure the background is transparent. Next, open your mobile browser and go to the official Roblox website. From there, navigate to the Create section. You'll then be able to upload your newly designed shirt. Keep in mind there's a small fee of 10 Robux required to publish your creation, making it available for others to see and purchase. It's a straightforward process. To ensure your shirts look fantastic, always utilize the official Roblox shirt template. This helps with accurate placement and sizing, preventing any awkward stretching or misalignments. Don't be afraid to experiment with various colors, textures, and patterns to make your designs truly unique and eye-catching. If you're serious about selling your creations, consider a Roblox Premium membership. It allows you to earn Robux from your sales, turning your passion into a potential income stream. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.